Most Mercedes engines fail catastrophically before 150,000 miles, but 5 specific power plants can deliver 300,000 miles of reliable service when properly maintained. In this video, we're covering the 5 Mercedes engines that separate smart buyers from those who end up with expensive repair bills. These aren't just good engines for the money. These are the specific power plants that Mercedes got absolutely right, creating engines that reward owners who understand their engineering and maintain them properly. So make sure to stay till the end to find out which Mercedes engines last 300,000 miles. Number 1. The M617 Diesel, inline-five, 1974 to 1985. The M617 was developed as a direct response to the global energy crisis, requiring an engine that could power Mercedes' heavier mid-sized and luxury chassis without sacrificing fuel efficiency or the legendary durability of their existing 4-cylinder diesel architectures. The resulting inline-five configuration served as the optimal compromise, delivering necessary highway power while remaining lighter and more efficient than contemporary 6-cylinder layouts. The M617 features a complete mechanical independence and robust material composition that makes it virtually indestructible. By constructing both the engine block and the cylinder head from heavy-grade cast iron, Mercedes eliminated the risk of thermal expansion differentials. Unlike modern engines featuring aluminum cylinder heads mated to cast iron blocks, the M617 is highly resistant to head gasket failures caused by localized overheating. The mechanical fuel injection system, operated via a gear-driven Bosch MW inline pump, requires zero electrical input to run once started, making the engine immune to sensor failures or wiring degradation. For the turbocharged M617A variant introduced in 1978, Mercedes implemented extensive internal reinforcements, including oil jets directed at the underside of the pistons, stronger connecting rods, sodium-filled exhaust valve stems, and a nitride-hardened forged steel crankshaft. The primary maintenance requirement for 300,000-mile reliability is mechanical valve clearance adjustment every 15,000 miles using specialized offset bent wrenches. Because this engine lacks hydraulic lifters, valve clearances tighten over time, which can lead to hard starting, rough idling, and ultimately burnt exhaust valves. The cooling system requires approved silicated hybrid organic acid technology coolant mixed strictly in a 50-50 ratio with distilled water, and the heavy-duty duplex double-row timing chain should be monitored for stretch starting around 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Number 2. The M606 turbodiesel inline-six, 1993 to 1999. Widely recognized as the Diesel 2JZ due to its exceptional structural strength and tuning potential, the M606 represents the absolute evolutionary peak of Mercedes' pre-common rail diesel engineering. Introduced in 1993 to replace the SOHC M603, the M606 modernized the mechanical diesel by introducing a dual overhead camshaft, 4-valve per cylinder head design that significantly enhanced high RPM airflow and dramatically improved volumetric efficiency. The core architecture of the M606 is built to survive high-load continuous duty cycles. The iron block provides extreme rigidity, while the forged steel connecting rods and nitrided crankshaft manage the substantial torque loads generated by the turbocharged variant. In contrast to the older M603, which was prone to cylinder head cracking around cylinder number 6, the M606 utilized a redesigned cylinder head with optimized coolant passages and upgraded head bolts. To control combustion temperatures in the turbocharged versions, Mercedes integrated specialized oil-cooled pistons, where oil from the main gallery is continuously sprayed into internal cooling galleries within the piston crowns. The use of indirect injection with pre-chambers, while less efficient than modern direct injection systems, results in a softer combustion pressure rise, reducing peak mechanical stress on internal components. The most critical maintenance hazard involves the glow plugs, which can seize due to carbon migration from the pre-chambers. To prevent catastrophic extraction failures, glow plugs must be removed only when the engine is fully hot, with penetrating solvent applied and extraction torque strictly limited to 40 to 45 Newton meters, using a calibrated torque wrench to prevent shearing the plug. The fuel injection system requires regular attention to delivery valve seals, and the intake manifold EGR tract must be cleared of soot buildup to maintain proper boost pressure. Number 3. The M113 Naturally Aspirated and Supercharged V8 1997 to 2009. Introduced in 1997 to replace the highly complex dual overhead cam M119, the M113 V8 was engineered under a philosophy of simplification and structural robustness. Rather than chasing peak horsepower at high RPMs, Mercedes prioritized a broad, usable torque band, low manufacturing complexity, and long-term durability that would prove the brand's engineering excellence. The M113 achieves its durability through conservative design choices that prioritize longevity over peak performance. By utilizing a 3-valve per-cylinder head design operated by a single camshaft per-cylinder bank, Mercedes reduced the moving parts in the valve train by 25% compared to its predecessor. The cylinder heads feature a twin-spark ignition system with 2 spark plugs per cylinder, creating a dual flame front that promotes complete, rapid combustion. The engine block is cast from a specialized aluminum silicon alloy with chemically etched cylinder bores that expose ultra-hard silicon crystals. This surface is exceptionally wear-resistant, virtually eliminating bore scoring issues that plague other contemporary performance engines. The timing system relies on a heavy-duty, dual-row duplex roller chain that is highly resistant to stretching, avoiding the catastrophic timing failures common in engines with lightweight chains. The primary failure point is the harmonic balancer, constructed of 2 metal rings bonded by an elastomeric rubber dampening ring that dry rots and delaminates with age. If left unaddressed, the outer ring can walk off its axis, creating severe vibration and potentially tearing into the timing cover, leading to catastrophic oil loss. The magnesium valve covers develop oil leaks that contaminate spark plug wells, causing coil pack failures and misfires under load. Number 4. The M112 Naturally Aspirated and Supercharged V6 1996 to 2005. Introduced alongside the M113 in 1996, the M112 was the first V6 engine ever produced by Mercedes, designed to replace the aging M104 inline-six. To achieve massive economies of scale, Mercedes engineered the M112 as a direct modular sibling to the M113 V8, utilizing the same cylinder bank angle, cylinder spacing, bore and stroke profiles, SOHC valve train, 3-valve combustion chambers, and twin-spark technology. This shared architectural heritage means the M112 is fundamentally over-engineered for a 6-cylinder engine, leading to exceptional real-world durability. While a 90-degree V6 block configuration inherently produces primary shaking forces, Mercedes utilized 30-degree split crankshaft pins to achieve a perfectly even firing interval, and integrated a counter-rotating balance shaft in the engine valley to cancel out first-order inertial vibrations. By sharing the massive alusil block design, timing chains, and robust crankshaft journals of the M113 V8, the M112 operates far below its mechanical limits. The twin-spark configuration and conservative ignition timing profiles prevent any possibility of engine-damaging detonation, even when low-grade fuel is introduced in global markets. The most common electrical failure is the breakdown of the crankshaft position sensor due to its location near the bell housing, where it's exposed to extreme exhaust heat. As the sensor degrades, its internal copper windings expand when hot, causing intermittent signal loss that presents a sudden engine shutdown while driving. Unmetered air leaks caused by brittle vacuum and PCV hoses are common, and on automatic transmission models with Valeo radiators, the internal barrier can fail, allowing coolant to contaminate transmission fluid. Number 5. The M104 Petrol Inline-6, 1988 to 1999. Produced from 1988 through 1999, the M104 represents the final generation of classic Mercedes gasoline inline-six engines before the brand shifted to V configurations. Developed as a dual overhead cam, 24-valve evolution of the SOHC M103, the M104 combined a highly rigid cast iron block with advanced variable valve timing on the intake camshaft, creating a smooth power delivery that is highly sought after by classic Mercedes enthusiasts. While the M104's heavy-duty double-row timing chain is incredibly tough, the engine features an interference valve train design, meaning any chain slip or tensioner failure will result in catastrophic piston-to-valve contact. Like the diesel engines of its era, the M104 utilized a heavy cast iron block that provides exceptional torsional rigidity and dimensional stability over hundreds of thousands of heat cycles, ensuring long-term reliability under demanding conditions. The 3.2-liter and AMG 3.6-liter variants integrated advanced under-piston cooling jets that spray engine oil directly onto the underside of the piston crowns to control combustion temperatures under heavy loads. The introduction of the HFM hot film engine management system in 1993 brought sophisticated knock control that allowed the engine computer to retard ignition timing on individual cylinders when detonation was detected. While mechanically robust, the M104 has 3 significant external failure modes that must be addressed for high mileage reliability. The cylinder head gasket is notorious for failing due to the aluminum head expanding at twice the rate of the cast iron block during warm-up, typically manifesting as an external oil leak at cylinder number 6. Mercedes vehicles manufactured between 1993 and 1995 utilized biodegradable insulation on their engine wiring harnesses that crumbles under heat, exposing bare copper wires and causing random short circuits that can destroy the expensive HFM engine control unit. These 5 Mercedes engines represent the golden era when the brand successfully balanced luxury, performance, and reliability. They prove that Mercedes can build engines that deliver the premium experience buyers expect while providing the mechanical durability that makes long-term ownership financially sensible. The key to success with any of these engines is understanding their specific maintenance requirements and addressing known vulnerabilities before they become expensive failures. The OM6-17's valve adjustment schedule, the OM6-06's glow plug service procedures, the M113's harmonic balancer inspection, the M112's sensor replacement, and the M104's wiring harness updates all represent critical maintenance areas. For buyers seeking a Mercedes that can deliver both the luxury experience and long-term reliability, these 5 engines offer the perfect combination of German engineering excellence and proven durability. They represent the intersection of sophistication and dependability that makes Mercedes ownership both rewarding and sustainable. The investment in proper maintenance and understanding of these engines' characteristics pays dividends in reliability, performance, and long-term satisfaction. These power plants reward owners who take the time to understand their engineering, delivering the refined driving experience that makes Mercedes special while providing the dependability that modern buyers demand. When properly maintained according to the procedures that ensure longevity rather than manufacturer-recommended intervals designed for warranty periods, These engines can provide hundreds of thousands of miles of reliable service. They represent the best of Mercedes engineering, proving that when the brand focuses on proven architectures and conservative design, the results can be truly exceptional. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.